Tuesday, February 25th. Should have been so much more. While I did end this day with a great profit, I got really stupid at the end and gave back a lot of it. With some better management, I would have made twice what I did, but considering how stupid I was, I'm just glad I got out with most of my profits. After some basic analysis, I decided to look for a short. I wanted to enter at this wick, and I followed my rules and waited for the candle to close. Then I entered with a pretty bad fill. Next, my favorite thing happened. I got ticked out and then price immediately dumped to my target. Instead of making $40, I lost 30. The second trade wasn't the best. I just entered short and put on a tight stop. I got ticked out once again and price continued without me. It didn't hit my target, so it's not like I missed profits, but I would have probably gotten out at break even. After price climbed up a bit, I shorted again, and this time I entered before candle close. When it did close, it looked bullish to me, so I planned to exit and catch it higher. And surprisingly, that was the perfect call. Although I would have not gotten stopped out, I did get a better price by 9 points. Then price started dumping and I went through a cycle of adding and removing contracts according to price. And with this single trade, I was able to go from being down $58 to up 146. I caught quite a nice move, to say the least. I tried to re-enter and did get some profits, but my trailing drawdown only had 15 bucks of risk left, so I exited when it started to pull back. Then I switched to one of my other funded accounts and just shorted without thinking too much. I had the correct idea and quickly I was up 50 points in profit. But instead of taking profits, I tried adding more contracts and I ruined it. I realized $92 in profit, but by the time I exited the position, I was only left with 35. Then I took one last bad trade and lost the remainder of the $35. After realizing how dumb I was being, I locked myself out. I took some great trades overall. The first one was great but unlucky, and the two big ones were also great until I ruined the last one. I have difficulty holding on to trade for a while, and when I do that, I often end up giving a lot of profit back by not exiting at all. Obviously, looking back now, I should have just taken the $100 and ended the day up to 50. What was good about this trading? I traded with the trend, I re-entered until I got it right, and I ended with good profits despite being stupid. To improve, live on a runner instead of constantly exiting and re-entering. Enter only at good technical places and not emotionally. Profit-wise, this was a great day of trading, but I mismanaged trades and gave back a lot of profits. With some patience and sitting on my hands, this could have been a $400 day, with the last trade catching a 170-point move. But since holding trades on for long isn't my strong suit, I should probably just focus on taking small base hits, as that is much easier to swallow for me. Thanks for watching and hopefully you learned something. This has been Nimble Trading.